Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Good times for all, there's Zachary Zabala here if you prefer. In this video, we're going to be putting together my first Tesla coil. Now, it's not going to be like I was hoping it would, where you could actually see the circuit board and all the connectors and you have to solder it and all that kind of good stuff. It comes with a breadboard like this, which is much easier and probably better for my first go around anyway. But I'm going to see if I can't get it in here. There's little numbers and letters. I don't think it's going to do it, but there's little numbers and letters along the ridge here and along the top here that tell you where in here to insert all your little, it comes with a assortment of little wires and transistors and resistors and all that kind of good stuff. I have my coil here and the base here. So instead of the instructions, if you'd like to see the schematics for the circuit, that's what it looks like. And it tells you everything you need there, and really nice directions here. Good pictures, show you exactly what they're talking about and what you're doing. Yeah, let me see, I got it from it was just eBay. Somebody from eBay. You can find them. Some are more expensive. I think this one was about $40. This size right here. We're going to see what we can do with it. They say it can run off of just a 9-volt battery, and then you can hook it up to even higher amounts. The capacitors and stuff will start getting hot. So you have to be real careful running it too long and things like that. Too much power. It's a smaller one, but it'll be cool to start. So I'm probably just going to fast forward it from here on out. I'm going to be reading directions and this and that, but I figured might as well have it recorded, you know. Alright, I'm going to get going here. Alright folks, voila. My very first Tesla coil. I hook up the positive and the negative to a 9-volt battery, which I know I had one just for this occasion, and I'm not sure where I put it. Oh, this might be it. This might be an older one. And an incandescent bulb. You know what? I'm going to stop it here and I will be back in a moment. Alright? So give me 2 shakes. Alright folks, I am getting all kinds of readings here of all kinds of stuff, but the actual coil is not getting any juice. So there could be all kinds of things that are going wrong here, but I'm not sure. There's a transistor. I'll put this to the negative and touch this on the transistor. Yeah, and I'm getting 9.75 volts. And it's a 9-volt battery, so we're getting the 9 volts there. I'll come over. Capacitors. Oops, I did it backwards, but yeah, 9.74. So we have the power in there. Let's see what this guy, if it's putting out anything. Maybe we're getting something here not right. Okay, I'm not getting any juice readings off this guy right here. So that might be my problem, folks. So I'm going to jump out for a sec and I will be back. Alright everybody, I'm having some troubles here. I get power. It comes all the way up through these guys here. When I put the positive in here to test it and then touch to the negative, I get about a 6 and then it slowly dissipates. I'm not sure if that's supposed to happen or not. All these are nice and secure and snug. But this guy right here, I'm not getting any juice off of. I'm getting juice off of everything but this resistor right here. This little brown guy with the stripes on it. Yeah, all my everything's getting the juice. Capacitors. I'm not sure. Transistor right here. This is your transistor. I get power to that. I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna have to. I have a buddy who's an electrician. I'm gonna have him come over, take a look, and see if he can't help me out with this. But yeah, it's weird, folks. So sorry about that. Look at that. Doesn't that look so neat when it's up close like that? It looks so big. I can't wait to get a real big one. But this would be good to start off. No need to hurt ourselves, right? But that's it, folks. Having a little trouble here. If anybody has done this before, has any ideas on maybe how I could test things differently. I get power all the way up to this capacitor. All three of them have it. I get the 9.7 reading. I get the 9.7 reading here. And there I do not get any reading. So if anybody has any ideas, that'd be awesome. If not, no biggie. I'll get it figured out. But the Tesla coil is built. It is just not functional yet. So that's it. Good times for all here. Signing out. As always, thanks for watching.